Devaditech Innovation is a startup company. What is the meaning of startup? Starting something to making up certain values. We have started this company to solve the common problem in the maritime industry on which we are able to provide solutions. As a startup firm, Devaditech grown from very minimal materialistic ideas to very practical, easy and viable solutions. The journey of this company started from a big problem statement where the founders found some easy solutions. 30 plus experienced IIT Kharagpur bachelor degree holder Mr. JP, who currently residing in US and also the mentor of Devaditech, found the solution is viable. The problem statement was given by Mr. JP from his recent projects. He had a project of unmanned vessel which found a difficulty in ballasting. Nearly 50-degree trim happened to the vessel. The bad part was the operator who is sitting in the shore has to come near the vessel situated in deep sea to rectify the trim issue. Perhaps by the time the operator reaches the vessel, the trim issue will conclude to a shipwreck. This was the problem statement. Our solution, we demonstrated JP with a practical smart ballast system which can be controlled using radio waves and even using Internet of Things. Also, the smart ballast system is autonomous so that the operator sitting at the shore need not be worried about his boarding to the vessel. So Mr. JP appreciated our efforts and the idea. He given green signal to move forward. Thus our journey begins. We initially tested smart ballast features in a miniature ship and it found working. Also, we got the principal approval from one of the reputed consultancy called Registrar of Shipping. After that, we improvised the smart ship technologies into further scalable finding, that is autonomous underwater vehicle with a tetherless communication to the floating smart mothership. The reason for finding AUV was that the divers in the sea was not able to dive deep to do certain activities for the research study purpose or even commercial maintenance needs. So the smart ship technology we have invented is targeting to resolve most of the traditional problem facing by the maritime industry. None of the Indian companies are manufacturing any underwater vehicles with tetherless function. So we hope this journey to materialize India's first tetherless AUV will bring prosperity and advancement in Indian Ocean. Also, each and every smart features we have innovated will also put value addition to our company. Also, we are holding 2 US patents for the docking of smart vessels and mooring for the smart vessels. All big dreams needs encouragements at proper time. Here we are expecting high encouragement to achieve India's proud milestone of making India's first tetherless AUVs and smart ship technologies. What is in your mind? Thank you.